Today's video we will see how to put Bosch dishwasher in diagnostics mode, enter test mode and read error codes. So the step 1 is you can firstly put a Bosch dishwasher in a diagnostic mode. Here you can first turn off the dishwasher using the power button. Then press and hold the start or on off button on some models. While holding the button, you can turn the dishwasher on. After that, keep holding until the display shows OO or TE or lights start flashing. After that, release the button and then diagnose the test mode is active. Then after, you can run the test mode. Here you will learn how to run the test mode. Firstly, press start once to begin the test cycle. The dishwasher will check filling, heating or draining and the sensor automatically. After that, how to read the error code. You will when the test ends an error code like E01, E15, E24 or etc may appear. If no code shows, there are no stored fault. And at last, you will see how to exit the diagnosed mode. So turn the dishwasher off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Goodbye.